Alright, let's continue from where we stopped, as the case may be. So click on. So this is you on your dashboard, and for now you can come here to view your site. So for now, this is how your site will be. The site you just installed, as the case may be. This is how it will look like. So let's go back to our dashboard. Then one thing we need to do now is to register for a new domain name. Come to set web address, and when you get here, connect to a domain you already own. Choose path domain. Open a new icon and come to freenom.com. So freenom.com is where you'll be registering your domain name. So I'll just choose this first one, .tk. Selected, come to checkout. Let me choose 12 months. Come to use DNS. Under here where you see name server, copy this first name server. Ctrl C. Come here and paste it. Copy the second one. And then continue. Enter your email. See, the verification link has been sent to Better WordPress. Come to your email. Yeah, get it here. And click to verify. So then you will fill in these details. So that has been confirmed. Click here to go to client area. So the domain you just registered. So come and copy this your domain name, ricecorporation.com. Copy address name. come here and paste it here. Mind you, when pasting it, ensure that there's no, remove everything, just let it remain, just rice corporation.tk and click add domain. The website will be linked with your domain. So if you click here, like on your link, it will direct you to what you have done. So we have just successfully created a domain name and connected to the host ricecorporation.tk. So in our next class, we will continue by customizing our site to make it how it should be.